whether they are bloodstained, but they don't have bloodstains, and they are right up against the building as well. Now, you imagine us for the runners who are trying to find each other in the mess, trying to make sure that their loved ones are safe. Police say they immediately rerouted the runners who were still on the scene, the area to a safe, secure imagine trying to find someone.